Hi guys, happy Sunday. I just posted this in the community tab, but I am not at home and I'm finna try it because I want to see how it tastes. So I just did a little video, so I want to make a little video so y'all can see too. Y'all, this one is it don't taste bad. It don't taste weird like the other one. Well, let's try this one. Yeah, I can't open this one. I don't like putting my mouth on the wrappers and stuff. Oh, God. Okay. This is this one. The yellow bag. I don't know about this one, y'all. It tastes kind of weird like the other one. That first one, this one right here, don't taste bad. But that yellow one, no. So, of course, y'all know I got my favorite. I know the glare is bad, y'all, but I'm sitting the way where we parked at is just bear with me. This is my absolute favorite. The best ever. Okay, y'all. I just came to do a short taste test for y'all. Because I can't wait to taste that bye back. Let's see what it tastes like. It's a go for this one. It's a thumbs down for this one. Y'all have a good day.